John, and if you are holidaying in the Forest of Dean or indeed anywhere else in the UK, you've chosen the right week. Congratulations. It's a dry story through the coming week. It's good news for the ongoing harvest, and it will be warming up as well day by day. Let's set the scene by looking at the satellite picture. Not a lot of cloud across the UK, hence the sunny day today. Bit of cloud across Northern Ireland earlier on today, but it's been tending to break up all the while, revealing the sunshine as we've gone through the morning. And so it's a fine afternoon virtually nationwide. A bit more cloud across the northern half of Scotland and a brisk northerly wind, so none too warm here. And just the chance of the odd shower brushing onto the North Sea coast at northeast England prone here with still that fresh wind, so not all that warm, perhaps only 17 degrees in Norwich, but further south and west, well, more sunshine, higher temperatures, 22 degrees in London. The south coast beach is the place to be this afternoon, shelter from that northerly breeze, very nice indeed. And certainly for the north coast of Cornwall and Devon, there'll be some sunshine, but it might feel a touch cool with that breeze coming down from the north. But really, we can't complain. A lovely day by and large, and for Northern Ireland, barely a cloud in the sky by the end of the day, with highs around 20 degrees in Belfast. So a super afternoon, and through the evening, not much changing. I think the cloud will tend to dissolve away across many parts of the country. So that sets the scene for a clear, cold night. It was certainly very chilly this morning when I drove to work at 4:30, and it'll be just as cold tomorrow morning, widely down to single figures. Some northern valleys seeing a touch of ground frost, would you believe? So a chilly start tomorrow morning, but a bright and sunny one. Temperatures soon climbing with all that sunshine around. Again, a bit of patchy cloud forming through the middle part of the day, but a fair weather cloud. It won't prevent those temperatures from climbing up to 22 or 23. A notch up on today, so you can see the warming trend. Up in the far northwest, a bit more cloud. This weather front here trying to push in off the Atlantic, but it's coming in against this area of high pressure, so not making much progress. It's going to be there across the northwest of Scotland as we go through Tuesday, so rather more cloud here with some spots of rain mostly for the northwest highlands, but much of the UK will be dry. Best of the sunshine in the south. The warming trend continues, 25 degrees in London by Tuesday. It's a Wednesday, and that weather front just tries to edge a little bit further southwards and eastwards, introducing rather more cloud generally for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but again, any rain fairly patchy and mostly confined to the far northwest. Plenty of warm sunshine, feeling quite hot by then across the south with light winds and strong sunshine. Now, as we go through Wednesday into Thursday, well, signs of the high pressure just giving way a little bit as that front edges in. It might just be enough to trigger off the odd shower across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, maybe northwestern parts of England and Wales, but those showers will be well scattered, most places dry, very warm indeed, 27 by then. And to end the week, well, any showers I think will tend to die away, most of us ending the week on a dry, settled note and just as hot. So it's looking good through the coming week for holidaymakers. Summer returns. Back to John.